Alright guys, how you doing? So in this video we're going to be doing a overdrive lockout on the front pulley of this 30 series torque converter so we can get more RPM out of the engine. It's still getting on over, it's still going in overdrive, and it stays at 4,000 still. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this extra bushing I have. I'm going to cut a slot in it so that way it'll slide over that other bushing, and I can slowly grind away at some of this and make it just a perfect length so that the pulley doesn't go over anymore. So let's try that. Alright y'all, so now it seems like it's just stuck in low range, kind of is what I call it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fine tune the little thing. I'm going to grind down a little bit so it goes over just enough to where it has a good high gear ratio, but it still keeps turning up RPMs. So that's kind of what I'm going after. Because y'all, the way it was before, you know, it was like, it just killed it when it went in overdrive, and it didn't really sound that good. And now with the extremely low gear ratio, it's like, and yeah, and you're only moving like 20 miles an hour. So we're gonna fine tune that so that way it's like, it'll actually sound really good and you'll get a lot of speed out of it. So that's kind of what I'm going after right now. So yeah, y'all, that's a pretty cheap thing. Is just get another bushing, cut it in half, and slide over that other bushing, and you know, kind of file off the little edges on top so that way it doesn't catch the belt because with that little gap in there, and just slowly start kind of grinding away at it enough to where you want it to be, and then just set it at that, kind of like that. Alright, so I just took a little bit of time to redo this seat real quick because it was literally falling all to pieces. Yes, I know it looks really ugly to have a zip tie going right there, but you know, function over beauty. So yeah, y'all, there you go. It's absolutely tuned perfectly now. That tachometer is turning over 6,000 RPMs, and I had the speed thing going on my phone because you know, I can't really show you the speed on that and film because I film, edit, do speed runs, everything else on my phone. So yeah, and that's what I'm filming off of right now. It's an iPhone 8. Yeah. Turning over 6,000 RPMs, I had the speed thing going, hit 40 miles an hour. And before it hit 41, it was turning only 4,000. So this is definitely a huge improvement. Now the chain's a slight bit loose. I got to tighten that up kind of soon. This monkey rigged exhaust system is actually holding up pretty good. And its torque converter is doing perfect. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, click on buttons on YouTube or say to click if you want to. Thumbs down twice if you didn't like it, and y'all should see me in the next one.